Hello, I'm Elske Kolstra. I'm Dutch and I'm an estate agent for Leggett Immobilier. I live in the Luberon and it's an area near Avignon. We are now in Saint-Saturnin, which is one of those villages where people would spend their holidays. It's really a great place to be. Other villages around here are very well known, like for instance you will have Gordes, Menerbe, Bonnieu, Roussillon. If you come to this area, really, you should go there. They are just so gorgeous. Everyone talks about it. There are loads of markets here. Every day of the week you can go to a typical Provençal market. This village itself, it's called where we are now, it's Saint-Saturnin-les-Abt. It was founded already 300 years before Christ, so it's very old and it has a lot of history here. Let me just say a few words about this property here. It's just a lovely place where we are. This was built in 1695 already, so it's 3 centuries old and more. It has been created by the family Ripert. It's one of those bourgeois families of Saint-Saturnin. It's a 4-story building, and you will see at the entrance there are those Atlantis guys, those 2 big guys who are carrying the balcony. And this comes from ancient times. The Greek, for instance, they have started already with it. It is very special to have this as in a private property. Because of those 2 statues below, the property has been classified as an historical building. So this means that the outside is protected and it will remain like that, but inside you can change whatever you want. The current owners of this property, they have done a huge renovation in 2019, and I love the way how they renovated it. You can see the beams are still there. There are lots of those things that have been kept, the old features, but they added the modern comfort and without doing any compromise on the old features. So on this floor you'll find a large living room and a salon and a dining room. Beside there's the fully fitted kitchen. One stairs above you will find a master bedroom with a very nice, huge bathroom and a sports room, which also can be transferred into a bedroom. The level above you can make a separate studio of it. It contains two bedrooms and in the middle a bathroom, a kitchenette. But then you turn yourself and you see, wow, you see this stunning view over Saint-Saturnin and the surroundings and the Luberon. at the ground floor there are 2 bedrooms, and with each there also their ensuite bathroom in stunning quality. And this makes it really great for a bed and breakfast, for instance, or for a family home, and you can enjoy your holidays with your family and friends, and I'm sure that everyone will have a great time here. If you want to go outside, you will have the court, a little court behind. The building behind belongs also to this property, and the current owners, they did not renovate it yet. But there are 2 plans for it. There is a plan for either make a double bedroom and a double bathroom apartment from it, with their own entrance on that side. Or it is possible to knock it all down and to make a garden of it. If you love the property as much as I do, then please click on the link below this video and have a look around in the advertisement. There are photos, there is a virtual tour, there are some floor plans, and if you like it, just send me a little email and I will explain you more about it for more details. Or let's make an appointment and I'll show you around here. We can do that by WhatsApp or in real, of course. And I would love to show you around. So please don't hesitate, and I hope to see you soon. Many thanks.